Children, now 7th class Telangana State Syllabus Integers Exercise 1. Third problem. Write the following integers in ascending order. Ascending order means what? From smallest to biggest. So the value given here is -5, 2, 1 and -8. So for our convenience sake, children, if you write negative values that are given in this problem and positive values separately, then you can identify very easily which is smallest and which is biggest. As the problem is from smallest to biggest, when you have negative and positive values, you know pretty well that negative values are smaller than positive. So now we have got an idea that first we have to write negative values. But in this negative values also, which is the smallest one, that you have to see. So this is -5, -8. As -8 is away from 0, we will write -8 is the smallest one, then -5, then positive we also already know it, 1 and 2. This is the ascending order. Now when you see the next one, -4, -3, -5, 2. So negative values are -4, -3, -5, positive value is 2. So in these negative values, first what you have to write? The smallest one. What is the smallest one, children, here? The smallest one is -5. So that I have written. Next goes to -4, next goes to -3, next goes to 2. Third one, -10, -15, -7. So in this negative values, all are negative values, we don't have any positive value. So in this negative value, let us see which is the smallest. So -15 is quite away from 0. So first that is the smallest one. Next comes to -10. Next come to -7. So this is the third problem solution, children, which is asked in your textbook. Next we will see the fourth one. The fourth one is write the following in descending order. So descending order quite opposite to ascending order, that is biggest to smallest numbers. Here also I have written negative and positive values. So the first one is -2, -3, -5. So all are negative values they have given, no positive value. Now biggest to smallest means now we have to concentrate on positive values, then go to negative values. But since there are no positive values, we have to think about negative only. So in negative, which is the biggest one, the one which is nearer to 0, that is -2, then goes to -3, then -5. Now second one, when you see, here also only negative values they have given, -8, -2, -1. So all negative values, when you see there are no positive values. So in the negative values only we need to find out which is biggest, which is smallest. So the one which is very nearer to 0 is -1. So this is the biggest one. Next comes -2, next comes -8. Next, when you go to the third one, you have got 5 and 8 and -2. So 5 and 8 will come under positive, -2 in negative. So in this now first we have to see the positive because from biggest to smallest we are dealing with. So out of 5 and 8, it is 8 which is the bigger one. Next 5, next only -2 because we have only one negative, so we need not worry, -2. So this is the answer for fourth question, children. We will go to the next one in the next class.